This is the Kregjig Mini, and I like to think of it as the baby brother of the K4 and the R3 jigs. Kregjigs create strong hidden joints in wooden projects and furniture by joining two pieces together with a hidden diagonal joint. The Kregjig Mini is ideal for wooden furniture repairs due to its small size, accuracy and ability to fit into tight, awkward locations. To drill your pocket hole, position the jig in place with a clamp. Drill the hole up to the stop collar, remove the jig and push the Kreg screw into the hole. Be sure to use the sizing chart to identify the correct size and thread type in line with the material size and material type. Coarse threads are for softwood, whilst fine threads are for hardwood. Clamp the mating material into position and drive the screw tight. Your joint is now complete. The Kreg jig and drill bit must be set correctly to suit the material thickness used. The Kregjig Mini datum edge is calibrated to 19mm material. If you're using smaller or larger thickness timber, you'll need to offset the jig appropriately. See your user manual to confirm the offset distance according to the timber thickness you are using. Likewise, the drill collar needs to be set to 89mm from the shoulder of the drill and not the tip. This again is for 19mm material. An added feature of the Mini is the recess on the back to help push in the Kreg pocket hole plugs. Sand the plug smooth for an almost invisible finish. For more info on the Kreg plug cutter, check out the plug cutter clip on our Builders website or Builders Fan YouTube channel. If you like this clip, let us know. Like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews and how-to DIYs.